If your texture looks stretched or distorted after applying it to your model in Blender, then chances are, your UVs are the problem. And sometimes, even after unwrapping, the texture still doesn't look right. In this video, I'll show you how to properly fix stretched textures in Blender so your textures look clean and accurate on any model. Let's get into it. Fix number 1. This is a quick fix. Select the model that has the texture. Press the Tab key and head over to Edit Mode. Click on the Options drop-down at the top right corner, and select Correct Face Attribute. Now select a face, then Extrude. As you can see, our textures are no longer stretching or look distorted. With the exception of this top bit. Let's fix that. Select the face and head to the UV editor. Highlight the face, press U on the keyboard, and select Smart UV Project. Select Unwrap. Scale to fit. Fix number 2. Let's add 2 cubes to our scene, and scale them up. Let's apply the scale of the cube to the left. Hold Ctrl A, and select Scale to apply scale. Since we scaled up the cube, this ends up forming a different shape, it's no longer a square cube. That's why we apply scale. Let's give it a material. Add your texture. Hold Ctrl T to set up the nodes. Make sure you have the node Wrangler add-in enabled, for the hotkey Ctrl T to work. Upload your texture. I will be keeping my texture scale at 3. Switch to Material Preview. Our texture looks stretched. Let's fix this. Head to Edit Mode. Press A on the keyboard to select the entire object. Press U on the keyboard, and select Smart UV Project. Fixed. Our texture looks good now. Let's do same for the cube on the right. You will notice even after applying Smart UV Project, our texture still looks stretched. This is because we didn't apply the scale on this object. So it still sees this as a cube instead of a rectangle, which it is now. When we check the left object in the UV editor, we will notice that the faces showing there are that of a rectangle shape. All the faces are not equal. When we check on that of the right object, we notice that all the faces are equal. Let's fix it. Let's apply the scale and UV unwrap again. Fixed. Our texture now looks good. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, subscribe and share. If you want to give your textures a more realistic look by adding displacement map, I have a quick and easy tutorial for that. Link to that in the description. See you in the next video.